Welcome to the Skolo Online YouTube channel. Follow us on social media by using the links that are in the description below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell notification to be notified every time there's a new video available on our channel. Welcome back to the lecture series. We're now doing lecture 4 of building your own website using Google My Business for free. We have now gotten a logo for our business, and we have created a sort of just a basic website that doesn't have much on it. So let's spend a little bit of time now spicing that up and making it look like a real website. The very first thing we're going to do, the way Google My Business works is slightly different from your other normal website builders. With Google My Business, you have your navigation panel, and that's where you enter your information. For example, you enter the information about your business, and you enter the information about your products that you're selling, and then you enter information about your logo and your identity, and all that information is collected and put into the website. So we're not going to work on the website directly, but we're going to work on the website through entering the information on the Google My Business page. So let us start by adding our operating hours, how long we're operating as a business. So we're going to say on a Sunday we close, but we open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and we open at 8 a.m. Okay, so our operating hours have been updated. We're going to now go into adding our opening date. So this business was just opened today, which is 2020, the June the 13th. Okay, so it's brand new business. We just started selling bags online as of today. And after we've done that, I'd like to go and now work on adding photos for our business. But before we do that, let's do products. Okay, so for products, we're going to do it on the products panel. Let's get started. Okay, so the first product we're going to sell is going to be the umgosi hand woven bag. Okay, and I'm gonna find a photo for that, and that's the image. And we're going to create a new category, and this is going to be the boss lady line, and it's a fixed price, and we're going to sell this bag for 200 rand, and this is the for 200 rand, and this is the umgosi hand woven bag. It has hand woven bag, and we're going to say handmade with the recyclable plastics, ideal for the day on the beach. Okay, and we're not going to put a button with that. We're just going to leave it like that. Okay, so we have our first product. That's amazing. Let's add a new one. Okay, so now we have 3 bags in our collection. We've updated our opening and closing times, and we've updated our bags. So let's go back to have a look at our website. Now, our website should have changed based on the information that we have given it. Okay, now if we go back, this is the cover image that we uploaded first. That becomes automatically the header photo for your website, and you do not have any posts yet. So those will show there. And currently we've created some information under our edit there. That's what appears there. And gallery, the bags that we've created are going to show there. There's our product, and that's our business operating hours, and the contact number based on the number that we've added on our website. So this website is built based on the information that you provide Google My Business. So let's start there like they recommend. Let's pick a different theme to go with our I think I want something bluish. Yeah, that's nice. I want something bluish, and let's change it to that. And then let's go back and create a post so that we have something that shows up in the post section. And we are going to update our product with the post, and we're going to say we are open on level 3 lockdown. Okay, come visit our store for great deals and specials. We deliver countrywide. Stay home and let us get you. Let us deliver to your doorstep. Okay, and I'm not gonna do a button, just the status, and that's the first post that we have. And this is amazing because you can share it, and then it will share to also your social media, your other social media accounts, or you can just put it here and use this as just another way of sharing your social media updates. Okay, you can also create offers. So for example, you could say, I'm going to, there is a 10% discount on this bag. Okay, and the total is 10% discount. And the start date, let's start it tomorrow and end on the 21st of June. And there's no time. We're just going to publish that. Okay, and this will appear like an offer like that is valid for this days. And you can also then share this on your other social media accounts as well. But what I wanted to show you is once you've created your posts and you go back to your website, you will now see on your website the posts that you've created appearing there. We are open level 3 lockdown, and then you've got your 10% discount. So if you create another post, it will appear there. So this is another way of just communicating with people on your website. So you're going to create these building blocks of the website on your panel, your posts, your information, your reviews, messaging, photos, products. You're going to build them there, and then they're going to be added together on the actual website here. I think I changed the theme for this. Why is this theme still the retro one? I think I changed it to sapphire. Did I not save that? Let us see. So we've changed it to sapphire, and we need to do that. Okay, all right. So we need to do that, and then it will change there, and that's it. So let us go visit our website domain. Okay, this is our website domain. Let's just go and have a look at what our website currently looks like to anybody that's visiting it. There you go. So this is your free Google website that you can use to sell your products online. We've created it without spending a cent for hosting, without a cent for website developers, without needing to know any line of coding. We've created this website. You can share this link right now with your friends. You can share it right now on your social media. They will be able to come and visit this site. And if anybody clicks on the get quote button, it's going to send them to the email address that you use on a Gmail to create this Google My Business account. So people will contact you directly in your Gmail account when they want to get more information about the products that you're selling. And this is exactly how you build a free website using Google My Business to sell your products online. If you liked this video, stay tuned for more videos where we will be telling you about how to use digital marketing to market the products that you're selling on your website, and videos on how to use paid advertising on Google and Facebook.